the best editor you can think of is the Notepad++ or Notepad. If you don't want to remember, if you don't like remembering anything, then it's better that you should use some good editor, right? Or if you're trying to learn, the simplest editor is Notepad, right? So in Notepad there won't be any auto completions or highlights or auto indentation, right? So all of these additional functionalities come up with better editors, right? So if you have a good editor, that is like Sublime Text or Atom, or you have Visual Studio Code, all these editors are good editors and they will provide you some extra functionalities like auto indentation, auto completion, highlights, and all those things, right? So the simplest editor is Notepad. If you don't want to download any editor, you should go with the editor that is Notepad. In that, there won't be any auto corrections or auto indentation or let's suppose autocomplete, right? You have to write each and everything on your own. So it is best when you're trying to learn something, as you don't there is not something that is pre-written, right? You have to write each and everything. Thus it helps you to remember things. Okay, so the simplest editor is Notepad. Now if you want to be a little bit fancy but in a simpler way, then you should go for Notepad++. But Atom is also there, which is also an editor wherein you can write your HTML code. There is Sublime Text, there is Visual Studio, there are brackets. All these are editors, right? So the best editor, according to me, as I'm comfortable and I'm working in Sublime Text for a while, so that's why, in my opinion, the best editor is Sublime Text. And throughout the course, throughout this course, we are going to use the same editor, that is Sublime Text. Okay.